Thank you, and good afternoon to all of you, Madam Chief Justice and members of the Council. I'm honored to be here before you, and it is a strange feeling that from the speaker just before me, Ms. Lepetsky, it's amazing that we both agree so much. Because I speak today, I am Steve Wagstaffe. I am the San Mateo County District Attorney. I'm pleased to tell you, the immediate past president of this California DA's Association and a member of the Criminal Law Advisory Committee for this organization. And I speak to you today as the District Attorney of San Mateo County, not on behalf of the California DA's Association. But I speak to you, I did get the chance to speak to the work group, and I speak to you today to tell you all that I thought the recommendations of the work group are on the mark. I wholeheartedly support them. I have been working my fellow DAs to read it carefully and hop on my bandwagon, and because I think this is a good change. I just completed in September 40 years with the San Mateo County District Attorney as a prosecutor, so I have been watching this system for decades. I have arrived at the conclusion that the recommendations to change it are appropriate. I would want you to know that this past summer, when our group of DAs met with about 80% of our elected prosecutors there, meeting with the legislative proponents of the change, that when asked, unanimously, everybody there said, yes, it's time for a change. The issue is, what is that change? On that line, I think this is a good recommendation because my concern with the legislative proposals is that what it does is it says because the rich are able to get out, what we'll do is create a system that takes away judicial discretion and allows predominantly for everybody to get out. And that isn't where I come from. I like what is done here, where we're giving discretion to the judicial branch. And it's wide discretion working within parameters and with the assistance of a risk assessment. I think that is the way to go. I also want to put special emphasis on recommendation number 6. And I really appreciate the work of the work group to remember that victims have as important a role here as everybody else. And I appreciate that they noted that. My county probably points out, more than any other county in this state, the discrepancy with money bail. We have a murder case that we're prosecuting now where there were 2 individuals charged with murder, equal involvement, equal pass. Bail was set, non-special circumstance, bail was set, $35 million. One of them, who has a lot of money, was able to post with property bonds, was able to post $64 million. The other person with the same bail, without that resources, is in custody. There are other people in my county, and they are similarly out. That's not fair. That's why I'm very grateful to the group for what they're doing to bring about this change, and what you have in me in the prosecutorial field is a positive spokesperson. Thank you.